You are confused, right? What decision do I need to make? There are so many things going on in my head. What needs to be done? You'll figure it out. Just watch this video till the end. So, hi guys, I'm jumping into the topic directly because I love this topic so much. This confusion confuses a lot of people. It used to confuse me as well. But I really want to talk about it with you all. First thing, there are so many things going around in our head. I can be a cricketer, I can be a footballer, I can be a singer, I can be doing an IT job, I can be a coder, I can be having some business. Yes, you can do everything, but you can't do everything at the same time. So if you are confused with what needs to be done or what decision should you make, write down few things about each and every goal you are thinking of. Write down the pros and cons and what pros and cons suit you the best. Take that. Now it's not that very easy that I'm speaking. I know it's hard, it gets hard. But one thing is, if you won't select that thing, you'll never be in that execution mode. You'll never start taking actions for the things. So everyone feels confused. I too feel confused sometimes. I am making these YouTube videos. Will I be able to succeed? You'll need to believe it. You'll have to believe it here and here. This mind and heart. And just close your ears what people are saying about you. Have fresh opinions, positive opinions about yourself. Healthy criticism is fine. But while you are making your decisions, consult people. But at the end, it should be your decision. No one else should have the power to influence your decision. I heard this quote, and it's a very famous quote, I guess, from Mr. Ratan Tata or some other great personality, that make a decision first and then make it right. So that's how we have to go for our goals, for our decisions. Just choose that one thing. Even if you feel like it's not worth it, choosing will be worth it. If it's in your mind, it can be the reality. Each and every idea needs to be written on paper. Think over it, select it, do it. Now next thing is, you have fear to fail, because once you are confused, and other thing, you are having fear of failure, that what if I fail? What if I fail at it? But you are already failing while not choosing anything out of all. You are already failing when you are not selecting any one thing out of those 100 things. You'll have to experiment it out. You might fail, you might end up failing, but that's completely okay. At least you'll have one less thing to focus on in the later life. And if it works, it just works for the lifetime. That's the power of decision. That's the power of decision making. You need to have rapid decisions. If not rapid decisions, plan out some things, write down some things, and go after that. But make sure you go for one thing at one time. Multiple things can be achieved, but if you are a noob, but if you are starting afresh, select one thing and start planning for it and just execute it. I know you might say that that's very easy for you to say this thing, that just select this and just start executing. It's not that easy. I know it's not that easy, but what you are doing is wasting your time. The time which is going, which is passing by, is very precious time. I'm realizing it too as well after 23 years of my life. No doubt I've tried really a lot of things before as well, and I'm trying it. But I haven't been so dedicated that I have been dedicated towards this thing. Towards helping out people. Towards helping out myself. When I record these videos in my phone, I feel like I'm talking to my major point that I really love to express, and that I have heard from so many people, so many great personalities like Gary Vee. Imagine a scenario, you have those 10 things written on the paper, that what decision are you going to make? Now, out of those 10 decisions, how many things are there you would want to pursue at the age of 70 or 80? Now, if it's only one thing, that's the thing you have to go after. And if there are 2 or 3 things, that you will be happy in doing at the age of 80, start doing it now. You can take multiple things as well, but you need to have a strong work ethic. Do what really makes you happy. Don't go by the curriculum or the school curriculum or the college curriculum that I'm studying coding and I'm doing this. I myself is a computer science engineer. I myself has seen turning prodigies into actors, into models, into writers that no one ever really thought of. That's the power of decision. And that's a very big thing. That's the power of decision and focusing and being dedicated towards your goals. Another thing, think of it like your passion, what you are more passionate about. Choose that thing that you can think you can do it for free, for charity, for donation, or you might never extract money out of it. That's a thing you can do. That's a very amazing thing because you'll be doing it for your happiness. And if you are doing something for your happiness, then money is never a goal. Money is a goal, it shouldn't be the front goal. There needs to be some purpose first. It's a byproduct of your actions. Money is a byproduct, it's not a direct goal. If it is your direct goal, your mind is directed towards money only. Having goals are important. Money is a great goal, but it's not a direct goal. Being a writer is a direct goal. Being a YouTuber is a direct goal. Now, what are direct and indirect goals? Direct is something you'll need yourself to invest in. You don't need to invest into money first without having the skill to earn it. And once you figure out this is the thing you're going after, just take a plunge, deep dive into it. You have heard of deep work. Deep work means you have to just dive into it. You have to just keep focusing on that thing day and night. Yes, day and night I'm saying. You need to dedicate hours to that thing. You need to take actions for it. You need to make plans. You need to execute plans. That's how things work. They'll not work just in the head. To make them a reality, you need to do it. Do it now. Start it now. Take a decision now. And you have already wasted so much of time that you can't afford to waste much more time now. Think over what needs to be done, figure it out fast, and then take action. I am repeating this action, these execution words. Why? I want these words to get instilled in your mind and heart that it is only those actions, it is only those plans that you execute that is gonna build your result. That is gonna build your destination. You build your destinations, you don't reach your destinations. I hope you get it. Do it now. Cheers. Have a good day.